Hey y'all, it's Mari, just Mari. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're not, welcome back. Thank you for being a returning viewer. This is a refilm of the intro because the beginning clip that you would have seen was not filmed today, it was filmed yesterday. This video is supposed to come out tomorrow, but I had to refilm the intro just to correct a lot of the mistakes that'll be happening later in this video. For starters, I'm making a sound dampening thing, kind of like a sound booth, but obviously not a sound booth because I don't have foam. It doesn't enclose me completely, so it's technically not a booth. It's just like a shield to protect the sound from the outside world. My room is on the side by the street. We're pretty close to the street on this side, so a lot of times like cars go by, motorcycles go by, babies cry, dogs bark, all that good stuff. So I am trying to get into some side hustle money of audiobook narrating. Yeah, so this is my microphone that I got. A lot of side hustle jobs have been coming up on my For You page on TikTok, and then it started showing up on my YouTube, and then it started showing up on Facebook and Instagram whenever I would go on there. So I'm like, okay, well then maybe it's about time that I need to do something, especially because during the summer I am on a mandatory vacation, unwilling mandatory vacation. For those of you who don't know, I am an online teacher. I teach English online, and the company I work for, they work with the US school system. So all of my students are US based, they're all US students. However, in the summer they go on vacation, which means I go on vacation. That also means I don't have any money during the summer. I have whatever is left from when I was working, which, only lasts me so long, especially because, if I'm forced to go on vacation in the summer, I want to enjoy it. I want to go with my friends, I want to have some good food, but I can't afford it. So thankfully right about now school is starting again. I'm also doing some training for another company that is somewhat similar, but again, just side hustle to get extra cash money, especially with my best friend's wedding coming up. She's getting married. So yeah, let's get into it. I didn't really use that much. I used what I had around the house. So I did not leave the house to purchase anything. I used some cardboard boxes. I started off with these two. I had some super glue, some $1.25 glue, some crafting clips, which are really just supposed to hold everything together. And what else did I have? An egg carton. Some napkins. What did I have? There's a marker somewhere along those lines that I'm supposed to have filmed, but I didn't. A hot glue gun, also from the $1.25 store that I had purchased previously, and it is $1.25 store quality. That was when it was the dollar store. I bought it back when it was $1. So let's get into it. Okay, so my phone ran out of space because of course it did. It always does whenever I try to make a video. Anyway, I'll catch you up when what's happening. For starters, I had to go find a whole new box because I used up both boxes, and I was like, that's actually not enough box for what I need. So I went to go look for one, and I found one in the laundry room. It was an Amazon box, probably an old one. I don't know how old, maybe 2 years old. But I found that and started cutting it up and started adding it to my almost completely formed shield. I've used this part from the Amazon box. They're on the floor. I added it to the top to make it more, to fill in that space that was right there. I also have added this part of the Amazon box from the side to bring this out. I'm gonna do the same up here, and then I need to extend the top as well. And then I have to find a way to make the bottom parts match. So that's what's going on right now. All right, this super glue running down the side, yeah. So before I add the final piece, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm gonna put this part on the top here. You won't be able to see me after I put it on because, well, it's too tall now. But this side piece from the Amazon box is gonna go like this. Can you see me? I don't know. Anyway, this is how it's gonna be, and then I'll show you the final product. It's the next day, and everything appears to be dry. What I didn't get on film, because I was busy yesterday, was me adding the other half of this egg carton in there. So there's only an egg carton of 6 with the egg holder part of the whole thing is in there. That's the only thing that's in there. So the inside looks like this. This is the box. But this is what I'm hoping will dampen some sound from the outside world. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the holes here on the bottom. It should be fine because that would be like where my computer is anyway. But we're gonna go give this a test. I was trying to figure out how I can use my microphone on my phone, but I can't. So I'm gonna have to film it on my computer. So it's gonna have a microwave quality video for the testing. But let's head on over to my room and test out this sound dampener. Let's see if I need to extend it and if I need to add more egg carton, which I do have some on the way, and I always have this. But you know, let's see how it goes. Okay, so here I am at my desk, hence the microwave quality. This is what it sounds like without the sound dampening box, which I have right here. So let's see how it sounds. I'll have to struggle to get it set up, and I probably won't have that great of lighting. I could probably use it. Okay, I'll figure it out. But let's compare it to how it sounds with the dampener box. It's not really a sound booth, but a dampener box. From what I can tell without listening to the audio, it just sounds pretty. It sounds fine. It might be significantly less. I think I could bring this out more, bring out the sides and the top more if I wanted to. So yeah, this is my little sound dampening booth. Hopefully it'll serve me well when I get ready to record these audio samples that I'm gonna try to upload. Maybe I'll make a video about that. I don't know how it's gonna go. I actually don't know if I have a narrating kind of voice. The previous narration job that I did, I say job, it was just narration for me in my past video. It was very soft-spoken, but to be fair, it was like 2 a.m. One of them was recorded in my kitchen. The other was recorded in my room when everyone else was trying to sleep. So like I had to be quiet. Here, I really gotta worry about that. At least not at now. It's 6 p.m. I don't have to worry about that yet. A motorcycle just went by. So we'll see if you can hear that in this clip. I'm gonna see if I can hear it in this clip. If I can, then I need to get more egg cartons. And if not, then I should still probably get just a couple more egg cartons to like finish up at the top and maybe put along the sides. And to get more cardboard boxes to put along the ends, because I think I used almost all the cardboard boxes in the house. That will be the end of this testing for this sound dampening box. Let's return to our regularly scheduled programming, which will be me on here recording like normal. Thank y'all so much for watching. Feel free to rewatch, binge watch, put this video again in the background just for ambiance sake. Check out my other videos. I have a few other DIY videos where I'm just doing stuff. But of course I have variety. I have a lot of travel videos that have come out recently. I will be exploring more. This is an everything bagel channel, as I like to call it, because I do a little bit of everything. But yeah, make sure to check those out. Subscribe and hit the little bell notification so that you can get notifications about my upcoming videos or anytime I post stuff. And yeah, hit that like button and I will see you guys next time. Bye!